Today we're going to be unboxing the Scott's 18-inch Pro reel mower and showing you guys how to put it together. So you can see what comes in the box. We have the handlebar. The main assembly is already assembled for you with the rear wheels, and then the top of the handlebar and some wing nuts. So I'll show you guys how to put this together. Okay, you can see how the pieces go together here. There's wing nuts with carriage bolts, and in the side of, you can see these are square holes. So you're going to want to put the carriage bolt in the square hole and put the wing nut on the inside. So we're going to put these 4 wing nuts together, and then we'll do those 2 for the top handle. Okay, at the end you should see they look like this. You got this wave washer that comes with, that should go on the wing nut side, and then there's a square hole that the carriage bolt goes into. You hold that in and you tighten up the wing nuts. So the end product should look like this. And make sure everything's tight. And now we're gonna put it on the reel. Okay, on the reel, there's these 2 posts that have a little groove in them. There's one on this side and one right here. And then it comes with 2 snap rings. So I'm going to show you. We're going to bend the handlebar in and put it on those 2 posts, and then we're going to put these snap rings on. Okay, this part can be a little tough. We're going to put one end on first, over here, and then you got to push pretty hard. But all right, so we got those on there. Okay, so now we've got the handlebar. We put this post through the hole on each side. And now we're gonna take our snap rings, and all you really need to do is take the snap ring and push it onto this groove. That just keeps it from coming off. Just snap in, just like that. And we'll do the other side in a second. All right, I had to use pliers to push that on. They're tough to push on there, but that's what the end product should look like. And see that one there. And that's pretty much it. So here's the end product. You can see the whole thing here. It's pretty easy to put together, as you can tell, and you guys should look out for a video on how to put our real CNC roller on the back, and then after that we'll have our video on how to convert this thing to electric using our new Gen 3 conversion kit. Thanks for watching, and have fun mowing.